Welcome to our channel Learn Kashmiri with Arihant. In this video, we will be talking about why questions in the Kashmiri language. Let's get started. Why in Kashmiri is kaise? Kaise. And the formula that you will need to use while formulating why questions is topic or object followed by kaise and followed by the verb. Let's see some examples. Tser kaise goi. Tser kaise goi, which means why are you late? Now the same sentence can be said in a different way in Kashmiri as well, which is Tse kaise goi tser. Tse kaise goi tser, which is also why are you late? So, tser kaise goi and tse kaise goi tser are one and the same thing. Amis kaise gau tser. Amis kaise gau tser, which means why was he or she late? Tse kaise chuk doran. Tse kaise chuk doran, which means why are you running? Remember, chuk is used when we talk to a boy and chak is used when we talk to a girl. So kaise ch shungit. So kaise ch shungit, which means why is she sleeping? Tse kaise chi pech. Tse kaise chi pech, which means why do you have so much mischief, or why are you so mischievous? Tse kaise hetut scooter. Tse kaise hetut scooter, which means why did you buy a scooter? Mjön cheese kaise ch römit. Mjön cheese kaise ch römit, which means why are my things lost or missing? Ts kaise chuk ne kah kam karan. Ts kaise chuk ne kah kam karan, which means why don't you work, or why don't you do some job? B kaise yemai tse nish. B kaise yemai tse nish, which means why should I come to you, or why should I visit you? Ts kaise chuk kunizon rozan. Ts kaise chuk kunizon rozan, which means why do you live all alone? Ts kaise chuk tsir shongan. Ts kaise chuk tsir shongan, which means why do you sleep late? Tse kaise chui bakwas. Tse kaise Chui bakwas, which means why do you talk so much? Kaise chukne bozan? Kaise chukne bozan, which means why don't you listen? You can also say tse kaise chukne bozan. So, always remember you need to know the topic or object in Kashmiri and the verb in Kashmiri plus kaise, and you can make as many questions asking why in Kashmiri. Quick practice. Say in Kashmiri, why did he fall? Object here is he. Why is kaise? And the verb is fall. Amis kaise log dab. Amis kaise log dab. Why did she fail? So the object here is she. Why is kaise? And the verb is fail. So kaise gaye fail. So kaise gaye fail. Why are you late? Say it in Kashmiri. Object is you, kaise, and the action is late. Tse kaise goi tser or tser kaise goi. Why can't I eat an ice cream? Say it in Kashmiri. Object is I, why is kaise, and the action verb is eat an ice cream. Bekaise hekene ice cream khat. Bekaise hekene ice cream khat. That was it in this lesson. We hope you are enjoying the journey to learn Kashmiri, and in case you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon. Bye bye.